Yeah, hello again. I've got a short video for you on how to replace the gasket under the turbo. This is where the two oil lines come in. It's a common fault where they leak. We also worked out an easier way using an extended bolt head to put it back together. So I hope you find this helpful. So you need to remove the plastic lining from under the guard. So you've got some screws to remove. There's two under here, and there's three there, and there's some around the edge of the guard. And then inside here there are about 3 or 4 panel clips. And you can see one there. Pretty straightforward to do. What you're doing is creating more access under here to get to the side of the engine and underneath the turbo. So to give yourself more room, just pull this relay box out of the way. There's a couple of little tabs there you pull to unlock it. Then you can just pull it off. And that'll give you access to the heat shield on top of the turbo. There's 3 bolts holding it down. I've already taken them out. And then you can just pull it out of the way. I'm just going to remove the air intake pipe here to give me more working room. Take out 2 bolts while we're under here. It's this one here, which is the easy bolt to get to on the oil pipe flange, and then we'll also remove that one down there, which is just holding the pipes. It's just a bracket. So that's the bolt that's really difficult to get to on the underside of the turbo. You can see it in the mirror. I've made myself a special bolt for the inside fastener, the hard to get to one. This is an 80mm M6 bolt, and then I've screwed a nut on to give the correct thread length and then just tack welded it.